Hey everyone, this is going to be a quick video showing you how to put all the pieces back in your AK cleaning kit. So, there are generally 4 tools, as you can see, to fit in this little capsule. To fit these back in, this is how I do it, and to me I find this very easy. Of course, take your cap and put it aside. First piece I put back in is this piece right here. This is the flathead screwdriver combination sight adjustment tool. This is the widest one, so I find this to be the easiest one to put in. And since it's flat, it just makes it easy. So first thing to put in is that one. Next one to go in is this piece. Now this here is for when you're cleaning it, you put a patch through right there and you can pull it through after this is on your cleaning rod, of course. So put that in next. The next piece to go in is your bore brush. The bristles move aside, so this makes it a little bit easier. And now the final piece to go in is your punch. Find a little space to put it in, and as you can see, it'll fall right into place. Now from here, take your little cap, will go right back on, and there you go. It's all back together. So that's pretty much it. I hope this was helpful and informative. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I'll see you next video. See ya.